In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a custom region on Zillow. This is a fantastic tool for narrowing down your property search to a specific area that interests you the most, eliminating all those extraneous listings that can clutter your screen. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a crisp, clear focus on your preferred regions, giving you a tailor-made view of homes just where you want them. To begin, you'll want to head over to Zillow's website. Once you're there, you can get started by using the main search bar, typically located at the top of the page. Enter a region you're interested in. This can be a city, neighborhood, or even a specific address. Typing in this information will allow Zillow to focus the map on your desired location. Once you've found your region, you might notice a predefined boundary around certain areas. To make sure that you can draw your own shape, look for the option to Remove Boundary on the map. Clicking this will remove any existing lines and allow you more freedom to designate specific areas without constraints. Next, to ensure you're looking at the right scale for what you want to achieve, you might need to adjust the map. You can do this by either zooming in or out. Just use the zoom controls on the map to focus in for a closer inspection, or to zoom out for a broader view. This step is essential because drawing your custom region is much easier when you have the right scale and detail on your screen. Once you have zoomed into the area you're focused on, search for your specific location on the map. This sharpens your search parameters, making what follows more precise. Now, let's get into the drawing part. Look for the Draw button, usually located somewhere on the map interface. Click on it and get ready to create your own custom-shaped boundary. With the Draw tool activated using your mouse, start clicking around the perimeter of the area you're interested in. Each click places a point on the map, and these points connect, forming the outline. You can make as many points as you need, and once you connect them back to your start point, you will have created your own custom region. After you've sketched your desired area, the next thing to do is apply it. Find the Apply button, typically located nearby, and click it. This will save your custom region and update the map display to only show properties within your boundary. Remember, if at any point you wish to make any further adjustments, you can always remove your drawn boundary and start again, repeating the process until you're perfectly satisfied. You can also draw a new area after removing the first outline if you wish to explore different regions. Now, as you hit apply, Zillow will automatically filter and display all the available property listings within your custom region. And voila! You've successfully drawn a custom region on Zillow. Happy house hunting!